this place. What's up everyone? Today we're playing. Wait a minute. That little players? Wait. Look, I just need. There was no lot of players. Okay. What's up, homies? Hey, what's up, homies? Oh, good. Let me get it a little bit quick and let's go. You got to be freaking kidding. Anyways, we got in the game, and today we're playing as social card. Wake up! Okay. Another noises. The family. While it says wake up is also we can it's sleeping. Please hit the subscribe button because this took me 4 minutes to get in one server. One code server. Alright. Do we kill? Nah. So solo. We promise listen.
Happy birthday.
Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm lagging. Why in this time I'm lagging? Okay. Why don't I say it sound like that? Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm lagging. Why is this literally time when I'm playing this my favorite cards? Oh my, what many people have done? Oh my god. I swear this dropped amazing. And at last I get paid. I get fired every time. Oh my aim. My aim is so bad, My aim is so bad, like very bad. Well, who's left? Oh, I do not see anyone. Oh, okay. Oh, it's Sky. Yo. Let's go. Oh my. I'm so bad at this. I'm like so bad like Alright. Move. Yes. Come over here. The back line. At least I go. Oh my god. This is what I feel like now. This is what I feel. Why the emote is gone? Oh my. Let's keep the gun. Damn, it's trying to. Ooh. That's kind of good, not gonna lie. Legendary. Alright, we on? No? Nothing. You saw nothing. You did not hear me say something. How dare he be here? Hi. My home, just waiting. Oh, oh. Man, I feel I'm the only sort. Hey, get down, get down like a good boy. Get down. I said get down, I said get down. Hey. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Get the oh my god, I hate those players, man. God, I hate those freaking. This is literally what I feel, man. This is what I feel. This is what I feel. I want to get out these players. Squid, Ring, Dex, Umbrella. No, just let me. What? Oh, manager. Manager. No! Who cares, anyways? I'm gonna count this players, man. And for. No, please. Oh, get ready. Oh. Oh no. I literally have to watch everyone, but not the cards. The cards are freaking. I wish I could beat the OD card. Not gonna lie. Alright, what's my turn, man? It's my turn. Guess up, buddy. Yo. Okay. For no kills. Are you kidding? I just want some blood here. I want some blood. Anyways. What is that thing? Stance? Alright, man. Alright, let's go. Alright. Okay, get over here. Get over here, man. I swear. I hate those whales, like I said. Those whales are not nice to me. And these are no respect to me. I mean, I'm literally the god here. Right? Oh my. Who put that swap over here? Is it one of the gods? You saw nothing. You saw nothing. You saw nothing. You saw nothing. But it gets I quit. And it's comment. I need to be level 13 for Manzo. Can I join? Can I join? Yes. Yeah. Hi. I'm in that team. Yeah. I hit. I destroy the cards. Hold on, where's my team? I wanna see my team. Not here. My dear. My dear.
لا مش عاوزها ببصل ولا مسلوقة،
مارتين.
مش باكلها ولا كده ولا كده.
Martin.
معرفش
The bestest one. I need to find a little still on the cards.
لا. لا.
Oh, come on. Too easy. Bro. This would make it hard. And we got some play. My gun is prepared for ammo. About to get killed. About to get a kill. Time's clicking. Better go fast. Come on. Yeah. You have to be kidding. Wait, there. Wait. There. Oh my. Yo, that's very impressive. You got that wrong. I got my gun ready, my boy. He does not know how to do it. Be careful. I cannot pass. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, what? I'm a parent already. Wait, it's one. Huh? Yo. Got a kill. Thank you for the money. Completed. Yo. Hey, 3 kills. 3 kills, my man. Yo. That's what I just saw. Why do bye. What? Oh, is that what? What? No, not to. Not. Oh my. Not 6,077. It's basically 7, you know. you know. I swear I was about to kill him. Yes, nah, you're going right to that. Will be causing owl. Wait, why? Whoa, doctor, please, bro. The doctor will help you because you are bullshit. I'm joking, man. I'm joking. I'm literally talking like that. I'm literally joking. You better be grateful. I made this. I made the tool. Thank you. We're going straight to the elevators. We're becoming a guard. Alright, let me keep him. Alright, now. Go. I'm the one who's supposed to do this. Not you. Okay. I thought it's a can't face it. Let's see my luck. Whoa, what? No. Give me this boil. Are you freaking kidding? Right? Guess I'll just grab myself. Whoa, you're littling. No, we still went on license. Watch out. You know we're watching out, my boy. Get out, boys. We're killing everyone. White kill. Well, kill the players who try to kill us. Kill them all. Kill them all. Yo, I no one has us. We are the cards. We have guns. You have knives, bottles and forks. Yo, actually, wait. Wait. Let me kill it. Yo. What? Hey, where are you going?
You.
I get him! I have to wait. There are small guards, so they help me. Kill players together. And another one. I'll be good. Super Saiyan. Win one. Now Super Saiyan 3. But just wait. But I have the question: is the cards pink or red? Because here it looks red to me. Not gonna lie, it looks red to me. And this. Always get to play on. I get it. One attack. Go. Oh my, I'm not tongue of fool. Are you freaking kidding? Oh my, whoa, well. Right, are we supposed to go? I like to get the water in. Another cousin. Anyways. Apa saya for tanah nicest? Well, we'll have a gun. Okay, I was winning. Ooh. Cut the rope. Cut the rope. Cut the rope. Cut, man. That was easy. Get those coffins. Hey, let me get one at least. Hey, where's my? Oh man, I wasn't fast enough. Oh, took it all. You are my son. Well, I'll keep that. That's for the memory. I got fired. Oh my. God wits my boy. Whoa. Sorry, y'all. That's my baby brother. I'm going for grabs, bridge. Let's go. I'm actually scared of some broke. Because I don't know, like, that my skills are gone on some rope. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, well, but grass bikes is. Oh my gosh. I have bad feelings about this already. We're going to mingle. After this, we're going to mingle. And I don't know, maybe guys became, I think. Oh, what he dies? Oh my. I'm so sick. It's for the quest. Okay. Let's see. Do he got aura? We can see right now. Let's see if he have aura. Or not. Because he might lose aura, man. Again. I'm bored for that. Oh my god. And you wait, both died? Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Dun dun dun. On. Dun, dun. Come on. Good thing there is the pause button. Because if there were, we all got die. Oh, come on. I'm so scared. Literally. I did have a feeling that. Alright. Three. Literally three. More. Three. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Someone go! I was looking to a bit. What does it mean? What does it mean? We go to. Oh. Oh. One. Oh, let's go. 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 Let's go, man. Oh my god. I have bad feelings. What's the next game? I feel it's Guys with Games. I think because in the games. By the way, film lines are closed because I don't have much source. So yeah, I hope it stays. Oh my god. It's gonna be disabled from here on out. That makes me more scared. Mingo is one of my favorites, but I hate the people that will just go to your room and oof you. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video so far. My goal is not gonna lie. 100 subs. That's all I want. I'm free. Oh my. Oh, get in. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, alright. We all selling. So, okay. Any of them crabs? Yeah. That guy wouldn't. I will literally go. No. But not me. Oh. Okay. Wait, just ask me. So, I have about 3 minutes. this guy. I will take revenge. Let's look at that last down. It is. I have to win this. I have to win. Oh my god. The god. Everyone else. Have to win. Pull down the cards to everyone. For everyone. Find out where. I'm gonna win for them forever. For everyone. Yo, I might be cool. Yo, I might be cool. Yeah. Easy. It's easy. Game over. It's easy, man. I did one with them. But so please, I tried my best. If you all have one, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And please subscribe, or at least like that. Anyways, I feel I will make another video soon. All life and peace. Was like, oh, I won't say one, but anyways, as I said, peace, y'all.